Welcome to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome. Today we have another favorite. What is it? Trout Almondina. Trout with sliced almonds. Really out of this world. Now just take a look at this portion of trout. Absolutely perfect. And guess what? It is baked to keep those calories down. Now if you want to know if you're going to eat the skin or you're not going to eat the skin, that's up to you. Look in the description below and I will give you some information on whether you should or you shouldn't. But anyways, this is absolutely perfect, absolutely moist, and your family and your friends are going to love it. And it's easy to make. Now here I have two rainbow trout, and I did make sure that all the scales were out, and this is about 4 servings, or if you're really hungry it would be 1 serving. Now what I like you to do is open it up, and I would like you to fill it up with this fish spice. Just check in the recipe below. Now grab some lemons, slice them thin, and just put them into the fish cavity just like this. Now grab some fresh parsley and just put it in like this. What could be simpler? I mean, really, once this starts to heat up, everything is going to intermingle in taste. Now I like to use foil wrap, but I don't want the fish to stick, so put a little bit of olive oil on it and spread it all the way around, but do not use too much oil. Now you noticed here that I did not remove the heads. My wife doesn't like anything staring at it from the plate, but I need to keep the heads on because it will keep the moisture in the fish. If you remove the heads at this point, the fish could dry out very fast by letting its juices out. So I recommend you keeping them on and then remove them. And to get that baked part on the skin, just add a little bit of olive oil, just a dab or two, and now I just want you to move it around to blend the olive oil everywhere. Now let's add some kosher salt. How much do you add? Well, once again, that depends on you. For me, I like to use a little bit. And now when it comes to pepper, well, just use as much as it takes to make you happy. Now let's squeeze some fresh lemon juice on top of the trout and grab your sliced almonds and just put it on the top. How much? Again, it's what you like. Now cover it with another little foil and make a tent, and I want it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, and I shall be back. And I'm back, and here it is. Just take a look at this. So let's bring it a little bit closer to tease you. This is one awesome dish. You can trust me. This is really tasty and really good for you. So once again, I reached the end of another video. And so once again, I say thank you very much for watching my video. And it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.